Good morning, children. Let us begin with the exercise on the chapter Element, Compounds and Mixtures. The first question is, who are my companions? For stainless steel is an alloy. An alloy is a mixture of different metals. Silver is a metal. Third, Bhajani mixture for milling. It is a mixture. Salt it is a compound. It has altogether different properties than individual elements of sodium and chlorine. Coal is an element, that is carbon. Hydrogen is a non-metal. Write the name of elements from the following symbols. Zn is zinc, Cd is cadmium, Xc is xenon, Br is bromine, Ti is titanium, Cu is copper, Fe is iron, that is ferrous, Si is silicon, Ir is iridium, Pt is platinum. What are the molecular formulae of the following compounds? Hydrochloric acid is HCl. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sodium chloride NaCl. Glucose C6H12O6. Methane is CH4. Give scientific reasons. Buttermilk is churned to get butter. Churning is one of the method of separation. The particles of butter are all spread out in the buttermilk. By stirring, they aggregate due to centrifugal force and form one solid lump to separate the butter. The buttermilk is therefore churned. In chromatography, the ingredients of a mixture rise up to a limited height when water rises up to the upper end of the paper. In chromatography method, two mutually opposite properties of substances are used. These are the solubility of the substance in the solvent that moves up and the ability of the substance to stick to the stationary filter paper. These properties are different for different substances. Since water is a solvent, it rises rapidly across the chromatography filter paper. But the solutes will not rise with that speed. Therefore, the ingredients of a mixture rise up to a limited height when water rises up to the upper end of the paper. A wet cloth is wrapped around a water storage container in summer. The moisture in the wet cloth evaporates during summer season. During its evaporation, it absorbs some amount of heat from the water storage container. The water inside the container thus becomes cooler. Hence, a wet cloth is wrapped around a water storage container in summer. Explain the difference. Metals and non-metals. Metals, they have luster. Non-metals do not have luster. Metals are malleable. Non-metals are not malleable. Metals are ductile. Non-metals are not ductile. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Non-metals are not good conductors of heat and electricity. At normal temperature, metals are in solid state except mercury, and that is why it is used in thermometer, because it rises with a very sharp change of temperature. At normal temperature, non-metals are either in solid or in gaseous state, except bromine, which is in liquid state. Normally, metals, they have high density like gold, silver and mercury. And normally, non-metals, they have less density as oxygen and hydrogen. Mixtures and compounds. A compound is made up of two or more elements which are chemically combined in a fixed proportion. Mixture is obtained by mixing just two or more substances in any proportion. A compound can be further subdivided into simpler substances by chemical means only. A mixture can be subdivided into simpler substances by physical processes. The properties of a compound are entirely different from the properties of its constituents. The constituents of a mixture retain their original properties. For example, in case of compounds, common salt, it is made up of sodium and chlorine. Individually, the sodium and chlorine, they are toxic, but when they come together, they become salt. They make salt, which makes the food that we eat have some taste. Sugar, water. Water is also a compound, hydrogen and oxygen in a proportion, two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. They make H2O, water. It is a compound. Air and seawater, they are mixture. The components, air is a mixture of various gases you have studied in standard 6. So all those gases are there, but they do not interact with each other. So it is a mixture. They can be separated also. Atoms and molecules. An atom is the smallest particle in an element that has the properties of the element. Molecules are formed by combination of two or more atoms. It is not possible to break down the atom further, retaining the properties of the element. Molecules can be subdivided to individual atoms. Example, water molecule can be further subdivided into oxygen and hydrogen atoms. The atoms are bonded together in a molecule. When similar molecules combine together in any number, a simple product is formed. An atom is not stable by itself. Molecule is usually stable to exist by itself.